Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azim and I'm back here with another new video, and today's video is going to be more exciting because today I'm going to talk about a Nubia X smartphone that is dual screen smartphone. Yes guys, it has screen at the front side as well as at the back side, and at the front side it has almost very close 100% screen to body ratio, and at the front side it has display size of 6.26 inches, that is full HD plus display, and it has 2280 by 1080 pixels, while on the rear side it has 5.21 inches of HD plus display and has 1520 by 720 pixels. This screen is OLED touch screen, and on the front screen there is also an in-display fingerprint sensor like the sensors coming in 2018 flagships recently. The Nubia X is powered by 2.8 GHz Snapdragon 845. Wow guys, this is amazing. This smartphone also has Snapdragon 845 and it will come with 8 GB of RAM, up to 256 GB of internal storage. The phone comes preloaded with Nubia user interface 6.0 on the top of Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. There is a thing you need to know is that Nubia X doesn't has the front facing cameras. Yes, it just have dual camera setup at the back, and that dual camera setup will be used as selfies because you will have the dual screen. Here we also have the leaked price, not completely sure, and the price starts from $472 for the base variant with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and then it goes up to $616 for the 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage. And now let's talk about the release date. So it will go on selling in China from 5th of the November. Yes guys, and that's all for today guys, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.